Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add highlights on Instagram without adding them to your story. Instagram highlights allow you to showcase your favorite moments, important information, or themes on your profile. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app by tapping it. And then at the bottom right corner of your screen, look for Profile and tap it. Once you are in your profile, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap the three horizontal lines. Tap on Settings. From the Settings section, tap Privacy. After that, find Story and tap it. You are now on Story Options. Now we need to tap Hide Story From and select it all manually. After doing so, tap Done. Basically, what we are going to do is to hide your story. So no one is going to see your story, but it will still be on your highlights. Now we need to go back at the Instagram homepage by tapping the house icon. In the Instagram homepage, look at the top left of your screen, you will see your icon there. Tap it to post a story. Select one image or video that you want to post. I will use this one for example. Now at the bottom left of your screen, tap Your Story. As you can see, it is already in my story, but no one can see it since I hid it from all of my friends. To add it to your highlights, look for the bottom right of your screen and tap Highlight, and add it to your designated highlight album. Or you can also go in your profile menu and tap the plus icon as shown here. Tap your recent story and tap Next. Now in this section, you can name your highlight or just add it by tapping Add. That's it. Now you know how to add highlights on Instagram without adding them to your story. It's a great way to curate and showcase your favorite moments or themes on your profile. Have fun customizing and organizing your highlights. Thank you for watching.